One way I've figured out how to get way more work done with less time, um, if you can combine things, it goes to a creative thing where you can piece pieces puzzles together. Where there's something called speech to text technology, where if you have a microphone, you can speak your thoughts out into the microphone. There's even mobile apps for this where speak into the microphone, record your thoughts, and then you can have certain things like Grammarly and other grammar checkers. I think there's another one. What's that called? Oh, a Pro Writing Aid, and a whole bunch of other ones like that, where you can record your thoughts at a certain time and then have it all fixed by a grammar system. And you can add certain parts here and there and produce a lot. And there's another thing I've used for making videos where this one's called Vidnami. I could put the link below where there's a good deal below. It's only for members that have joined first. So that one allows you to put your text convert it into a video. And the video, so how it works is that the text and the artificial intelligence technology of Vidnami pretty well it looks at certain words of the script and breaks it down and creates adds related videos and images that are to the video, so that it improves efficiency. It makes it so you get way more done. It's not necessarily super creative, but with this fast-paced world, it's hard to take have time to properly create meaningful stuff. It's really damn hard to do. A way to increase productivity to the point where you may have more time left over later is to record your thoughts through the microphone, and then it's almost like your own journal. Then you can have it fixed by a grammar editor, and can turn that into articles, and then the articles can be turned into videos. And yeah, it helps. If you have a website, you can drive a lot of people to a website based off of what your topics and words are, and increase productivity so vastly. And of course, the point where you get better and better at that stuff over time, you get so good at it, the point becomes natural. Oh yeah, another one. If you don't have the speech to text technology available, there's other ones. There's a free one I know of called otter.ai. I think it does something like free 600 or 6,000 minutes per month. You need a microphone for that. Okay, so another one, you can look at audio transcribers. Audio transcribers, they pay certain people to listen to the speech on there, and then they transcribe it the best of their ability and clean up things. As far as I know, there's a certain cost attached to it, but yeah, you can get way more done. This is helpful for people who are slow at typing. I'm pretty slow at typing, and I've been using computers for a little while, something like 6 or 7 years. But the way to blow past that limit is to use your words, have it recorded, and then have it edited, and it can be converted to videos, and in turn it feeds sort of like a multiplying effect of creative ability, and repurposes stuff, which is really cool in my opinion.